friends, it's Andrea here from Crafter Support, and today I wanted to share with you an unboxing of some of the stuff I got from Creative Memories. This is just basically a haul that I needed for some upcoming classes that I'm going to be teaching, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Let me get rid of the plastic. So the first thing that I ordered that I knew that I would need is some extra permanent adhesive and some of the removable. So it's actually called repositionable. It's not removable, it's repositionable and permanent. And this one's just called the tape runner. So I needed a bunch of these just to be able to have at my classes and things like that. So I went ahead and picked up 3 of each. Although to be honest, I feel like I use the repositionable whenever I'm making stuff way more than the permanent. Okay, so then I picked up a bunch. Well, this was the free stuff. Okay, I picked up a bunch of these sets, which are, they're like a class. Like I put together a class, and if you guys are interested in joining any of my classes, I can do them virtually, and then I can just put together packets and ship them out to you. There would be obviously a cost to it, but if you guys are ever interested in that, please let me know. You can email me. I have an email down below. You can message me on here, put a comment and I can reach out to you. But these are just things that I've been wanting to do, and I figured these are great little kits that could get you started if you're new to scrapbooking, or if it's something that you've been doing for a long time and you want something that's very easy put together, especially if you're like me and behind well, I'm not really behind anymore in scrapbooking, but that's a whole nother video I'm going to share with you guys. But if you are behind with your scrapbooking and you just need something to quickly get your pages done, these are awesome. So I'll be sharing more about those. And then I got, this was my free, okay, wait, I'm gonna go with this. These are like little chips of like double-sided adhesive that you can use. So like back in the day, I remember these with Creative Memories. I think they were on like a roll and you peeled them off and you stuck them on, or maybe they came out of a box. If you remember these, if you're like in a long time Creative Memories person, they would slide out of that box and they would lift when you pulled them out, and they could just pull each tab. That's what these are. They're just on sheets of paper. So I thought these would come in handy just for people to try. I know once they try the tape runners, they're going to want these over these, but I wanted to give some options for what they prefer to use. All right, and then I got some more pages for those specific classes that I was talking about. And I like the white pages, so I kind of just got the white pages, and hopefully that's what other people like. But those come with page protectors as well. And then for free, it was like if you spent so much money, you got free product. And if you guys want me to share all that stuff with you, then I absolutely will. Especially like in the future, if you want me to share the sale things, if you're on the Facebook group, maybe I'll just start putting it over there. I don't like to sell on my Facebook group, but really it's just a way of showing you guys what's available in case you like it. I don't want to like push sales. So that's just to be clear on that. But this was the free product. If you spent, I think it was like $135, you got this for free. So it's called the Flamingo Fun Simple Page Kit. Super cute. These simple pages are adorable. And then you got this cute punch, which is a flamingo punch. And I thought, oh, how great for like summer. What the perfect, you guys, I am terrible at opening boxes and things like that because of my nails. So let me use this. Your weeding tools from Cricut come in handy so often. Okay. And then that kind of hopefully less rips the box up. But I love the Creative Memories punches. And this one's a cute flamingo. How cute is that? So if you're not familiar with Creative Memories punches, it has a lock on it, and you just push down and you slide the lock, and then it opens up. And look how great. And these are really easy to press down to cut through paper. I do have some wrist issues and I don't have a lot of strength in my hands, but these are super easy to use. So excited about that, especially when it was free. So that I'll be able to use. And now I have another box. Let me, oh, this might be a loud crash. It really wasn't. Okay, so now I have another box. This was a box I ordered a while back, and it is the some mystery boxes that I ordered, and I think I ordered something else. I don't remember. It's just I've had it for a little while, and I just haven't literally had time to go through and order and go open things. Oh, sorry. Plastic is loud. So here's what I ordered. Let me open this up. Okay, so I did order they're called secret boxes, not mystery boxes. 2 secret boxes, and then I ordered the Relax into Summer paper. I thought this paper was so pretty and so fun, and I was really excited about using this actually for card making. And the really cool thing about these is it gives you the cardstock that it coordinates with. And I did order more cardstock in my last haul, so I think I have everything I needed. I'm pretty sure I do. When I was looking it up, but look how pretty the paper is. And I'll do like a more opening video whenever I use the product. I'll like open it and show you guys everything, but here's all of the different designs that it comes with. And I thought those were really cute, and their paper prices are super good. All right, so then I got the secret box number 1, and then I got the secret box number 2, because when I started, the secret box number 1 was already out, and they gave us the opportunity to order them again. If they're still available, I will try to link them down below, and so you guys can go check it out. I don't know. I'll just open it. I wasn't going to open it, but I feel like I have time to open it. All right, let me make some changes here for 1 second with my setup, and then we'll get into opening these. Okay. So I'm just going to open these. So these secret boxes, like there's like a fun, if you're I think it's just if you're an advisor, there's like a fun unboxing of it. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Like guys, I'm still pretty new myself to how the advisor portion of Creative Memory works. So I think this is only for advisors, but I'm not sure. When you can buy these, I mean like the special events for opening them, maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm going to stop talking about that because I don't know. But I do know that they do like this big release and everybody opens it together and there's this whole thing. But I didn't get to do that because I wasn't an advisor yet and I didn't have the product. But it comes with some really cute stuff. Oh, that's cute. Let me see. Get project ideas for secret box number 1 products. You just scan that little QR code. That's cute. Dancing stars. Okay, so I'm going to have to look at all this because I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Oh, it's called Celestial Delights. Okay, I'm not really into like, well, I guess it's not. Okay, so it's not like, oh, what's it called? What are they called? The stars and the people follow, the zodiac signs and things. I'm not into any of that, but this is super cute. These are sweet. Okay, this is cute. You are my sunshine. Oh, that is cute. This would be cute for a baby album. So you get, how many does it say? You get foiled embellishments, the celestial designs. You get 40 die cuts. And then you get puffy stickers, 125 puffy stickers. That's cool. Okay, and then you get this border punch. Actually, this is a really pretty, oh, it's a different color than our other border punches. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm not sure how familiar you guys are with Creative Memory. So you can see what is on the punch, like what the punch is going to look like right here and then right here. And this one's a different color, I think, because it is in the secret box. So that's pretty cool. I like that. This would be pretty for in my opinion, something like this with the stars and things. I think that would be pretty for the 4th of July. I don't know. I try to look at things differently than what they were made for, I guess. Like the flamingo, I know it's like beachy and stuff, but I would use that for like a trip to the zoo and you know what I mean. All right, and then the Celestial Delights. carefully use this to pick that up. Oh, wow, you get a lot of stuff. Okay, all right. So you get 6 sheets of 12 double-sided printed paper, and one side has foil on it. Oh, so it's the same design, but one side's foiled, the other side isn't. Okay, makes sense. Oh, cute. And then here is the coordinating cardstock again. I love that they do that. Okay, so there's that. And then, ooh, this is the designer paper pack. Interesting. Okay, I like this. This is really pretty. Now, I would probably use this more for card making. I think this is beautiful. And this would be really pretty to make cards, especially in the fall. And then some of them would even work for in the winter time. Very nice. Very, very nice. And I know this is all for scrapbooking, guys. I get it. But I'm also a card maker and a Cricut crafter and all of the things. So I like to see that I can use the same products on multiple levels of what I craft, of how I craft. So that was secret box number 1. Let me put all that stuff back together. And now let's try secret box number 2. Oh, that was fun. I like whenever I don't know what things are. Now I did get a sneak peek of secret box number 2. So I don't remember everything that's in here, and I don't remember what the punch is, but I do remember what some of the paper that was in here. There we go. Lots of extra paper. Okay, so here is the Get Project Ideas little scanner thing. Very cute. And then the punch is, I'm not going to take it out. Well, I am going to take it out because I want to see what color it is. I don't know if they're all that tealy blue or if they are. So this one is guitars and it looks like music notes, a microphone, and a star. That's cute. And it is the teal color. So that's cool. So I'm guessing these are like, they're not going to be available to like after this release of the box. So like I said, the box may still be available and I know that anybody can buy the box. These I did see and I thought were so cool. It's like the stage lights and then the audience. I thought that was really neat, but you get a ton of different ones. You get, how many does it say? They're all laser cut. You get 10. So I'm guessing 5 of each. And that would be really cool in a scrapbook, say if your little one is in like a musical or, you know, maybe they do a talent show or something like that. I think that would be super cute. And then you get some cool stickers. I'll just show you this because then you can see all of them. Get some cool stickers. Like say you go to the Hard Rock Cafe like on vacation or you just take a little trip there. This would be super cute. This is what that reminds me of, is when I was at the Hard Rock Cafe. It says music to my ears. You get all 3 of these sheets. Those stickers are cute. Maybe your kid's in a band, whatever. Super cute. I love the music notes. That's pretty. I like the records. I like the old stuff. Okay. And then you get, I didn't actually realize you got so much stuff in the box, to be honest. The paper, and here's again, your coordinating cardstock, and all of this paper is really cute. Let's see. Oh, this one is, it looks like records and guitars. And then these, oh, that's really nice. I like this. Again, you could use this for scrapbooking, card making, 3D projects. So cute. And the paper is nice. Like you guys, if you follow me for any length of time, you know that I'm stickler on paper. I like really nice quality paper, and I like this paper. I didn't see this paper. Wow. You got a lot of paper with this. Okay, 12 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided printed paper. That's really cool. So here, let me see if I can show you guys. And again, like I said, whenever I open it to use it, you guys will get to see everything. But I love that they do this. This to me, and I know other companies have done this, but usually for like little things, not for everything. So I like that all of their stuff has been, that I have purchased in kits have come with the coordinating cardstock. So I like that a lot. So that's it, guys. I'll have a link to my Creative Memories like shopping page for you guys to go check out if you want to. If you already have an advisor, go check out her page or his page or whoever's page it is, and make sure you look for these secret boxes, see if they're still available. If not, There's other really cute stuff on the site. Like I said in my last video, I'm doing YouTube full time now in the summer. And I'm really excited about that because I have so much more to show you guys between cricketing and creative memories and journaling and like just crafting in general. I'm really diving into a lot more, and I hope you guys like take it well. I hope it doesn't like, I don't want anyone to think that I'm no longer doing Cricut, because that's like the main source of this channel is my Cricut stuff. But I wanted to just let you know that I am going to be incorporating a lot of things that I think will just be fun, and that you guys have asked for in the past, or you've commented or messaged me and said, hey, do you know anything about this? And I'm really trying to open up opportunities for everybody to learn to craft and be able to love everything that they make, and give them, like, especially when there's sales and stuff, I want you guys to be able to get this stuff on sale and at a great price, and know that you're getting quality product, because I will never recommend something that I won't use myself. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.